In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where cookies are stored by Firefox on Windows, step by step, so you can find the profile folder and locate the cookies database quickly. This is useful if you're trying to back up browser data, troubleshoot a profile issue, or simply understand where Firefox keeps its cookie information. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides just like this. First, it's important to close Mozilla Firefox completely. If Firefox is still open, the cookie database may be in use, which can prevent you from opening or copying the file safely. So go ahead and close every Firefox window before moving to the next step. Now press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run Dialog. This is the fastest way to jump directly into the folder we need without manually browsing through File Explorer. In the Run box, type the following path exactly as shown: %, appdata, %, \Mozilla, \Firefox, \profiles. Then press Enter. This will take you straight to the Firefox Profiles folder, where Firefox stores all user profile data on your computer. Inside this folder, you may see one or more profile folders. If you only use one Firefox profile, it will usually be easy to identify. If you have multiple profiles, open the one you normally use. The folder name often looks something like XXXXXX default release, or another random string followed by a profile name. That's completely normal because Firefox creates profile folders with unique names. Once you open your profile folder, look for a file called cookies.sqlite. This is the important file you're looking for. Firefox stores cookies in this SQLite database, which means your saved cookie data is kept inside this file rather than in a simple text document. If you need to back it up, inspect it, or use it for troubleshooting, this is the file to focus on. Just remember, you should always handle browser data carefully and only access files on your own computer or profiles you're authorized to manage. So to quickly recap, Firefox cookies are stored inside the cookies.sqlite file within your active profile folder, and that folder is located under the Firefox Profiles directory in App Data. That's the exact place to check whenever you need to find Firefox cookie storage on Windows. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.